Hello everyone, this is Eduardo. I'm a security engineer at Perallis Security, and today I'm here to talk to you about Hacker Rangers. Now, Hacker Rangers is a platform aimed at providing organizations with a means to develop a cybersecurity culture through gamification. So here's what it looks like. Now, the whole idea here is, as a user, as a player here, I'm a hacker in this Hacker Rangers world, and I started as a noob, and my ultimate goal is to become a Hacker Ranger. And the way I'm supposed to do that is by earning points. Now, you earn points when you answer quizzes, when you finish cybersecurity courses, when you get badges, and when you submit cyber attitudes. I'll come back to these two in a moment. And also, the platform, it attacks the users through phishing. So when you're able to recognize one of those phishing emails and you're able to avoid becoming a victim, then you earn points in that case as well. Now, if I come over here to courses, I can see the ones in which I'm currently enrolled. Now, the platform comes with a basic cybersecurity course consisting of 12 modules in total, covering topics as diverse as PII and social engineering and malware, and all kinds of information your users need to be familiar with. You can also customize this course. This basic course here is fully customizable, so you can delete modules, you can create your own modules, you can change modules so that you can upload your own contents, your own videos, your own tests, your own reading materials. And also, not only you can customize this basic course that's available, but you can also create your own courses, and you can distribute these fully customizable courses to your different groups of users. So from a user's perspective, that's one way I can earn points. As I said before, I can also earn points if I answer quizzes. Now, the platform comes with several quizzes preloaded. They're suitable for all kinds of users. And again, you can modify those contents. You can create your own quizzes. You can customize the quizzes that come preloaded. And let me go through one of those very quickly here so you can have a look at the user's interface. Now, as you can see, you get instant feedback on whether I'm answering those questions correctly or not. And when I'm done, now I know I've earned 16 points for this one. It was worth 26 points. Now there's yet another way I can interact with the platform, and that would be by submitting a cyber attitude. So what is a cyber attitude? Well, a cyber attitude is a way of interacting with Hacker Rangers based on what I've learned. So let's say that, for instance, I took this social engineering module and I realized someone dropped a flash drive in the parking lot when I was arriving at the office in the morning. And based on what I've learned, I could see that's a form of social engineering attack. So I can, for instance, come over here to cyber attitudes, and I could actually file a complaint. And I could say that, for instance, someone dropped a flash drive in the parking lot. I don't know who did it. And I could actually submit a picture of this, and I could send this to my security administration, and my incident response team would have access to this submission, and they could use this evidence I provide as a starting point to do their job. In fact, there are many types of cyber attitudes I can choose from, such as giving suggestions and making compliments. And in the end of the day, cyber attitude is a way of having people effectively engaged with the security of an organization. Finally, perhaps the most important tool provided by Hacker Rangers is a means of recognizing people for their efforts concerning security and their interactions with Hacker Rangers. And this recognition happens in two ways. The first one being users receive badges for their behaviors and their interactions with the platform. Those badges could be as basic as logging into the platform for the first time, and as complex as achieving the ultimate Hacker Rangers rank, which is the whole point of the game. Finally, the top players are recognized through rankings. Those are weekly, monthly, and overall. If you also believe that traditional security awareness methodologies are not effective, welcome to gamification applied to cybersecurity. Welcome to Hacker Rangers.